Is it filming? Yes, we're on. Okay, here we go. Everyone write your name. Name, period. Please help each other out. The date is 9/17. Thank you, 21. Okay, so draw a cube above the horizon line using 1 point perspective. Write each step in order as you draw. Okay, so get out a pencil. Help them out. We're gonna try to raise everyone's grade. Okay, first thing, a horizon line. Our horizon line is a light line. Okay, it's where the sky meets the ground. Am I still filming? Okay. So, step one is what? Draw the what?
The line, the horizon line.
Draw the horizon line. Okay? All right. Now what do I need? A vanishing point. So step two would be draw the vanishing point. Okay, are we good? Turn to your partner, help them out. Okay, so vanishing point could be anywhere, but let's just put it here. I noticed a lot of kids were confused for the homework I've seen so far, so this will be good. Okay, so it says draw a cube above the horizon line. Okay, so above, where is that? On top, right? So in order to draw a cube, we start with a shape, right? A geometrical shape. What geometrical shape would that be? Square. Okay, very good. Okay, so you can go ahead. Don't worry about it being perfect, but have it be small, you know, like medium size. I'm not even going to give you a width. I'm going to do like, this is not a square. This is a rectangle. That is fine. Are you okay, Brian? You're mumbling to yourself. Okay, right? Are you good? Do you have the packet? Okay, here we go. Draw a square. Yeah, they're at the bottom outside. Okay, I know this isn't a square. I know, that's a rectangle. I know, my bad. Okay? You can make yours a square if you're a perfectionist. Okay. So, draw a square above. Right? Okay, this is the horizon line. So you can label it HL, VP. Okay? This is just purely so you understand the process. Now, next step, you're gonna draw the converging lines or the guiding lines. Notice how I'm going light with my pencil. Okay, light. Everyone look at your neighbor. Make sure your neighbor's good. And I see some of you are working pretty small. That's fine. Just as long as you're making all the steps. Okay? So connect corners that can see the vanishing point to VP. Now, this is where I lose everyone. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, we're good. We're catching up. Oh, you're writing all the notes? Well, I would much rather you understand the process. Good thing we're filming this. Subscribe. Okay, look. Here we go. I say stuff like that because it makes you laugh. This line needs to be parallel with this line. You cut it off. Okay? Then you erase the lines you don't need. I wonder how quickly we could do these notes. Okay. And then rotate, 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 rotate. Maybe I'll cut out the other notes for you guys. Okay. Rotate, 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 rotate. Okay, now, wait. I got ahead of myself. Okay. So we connected the corners to the vanishing point. Erase, what should I call them? Converging lines. And that's those. You draw a little arrow, be like, oh, I just erased them. Right? Last step is add shading. Right? All the hatching should go towards the vanishing point. This is like something that, like, I don't know, we never understand. You could also add some light blending if you want to make it pop out. Oh my gosh. You could, and really darken the edges of the form. So now that shape is a form, okay? Okay, are we good? You could add some hatching right there to make the ground look fancy. You could like pick up your eraser, do a highlight. Okay, so where is the viewer in relationship to the object? Where are we?
On top.
Are we? We're on top of the object?
On the bottom. No.
Where are we looking? We are looking,
On the top.
I think we're looking up, right? Because we see the bottom of the object, right? This is the bottom. Are you good? Okay, I'm looking around. Are we good? Trying to help. How are you doing? You good? You good? You good? You good? Turn to your partner and make sure they're good. Okay? All right? Do I need to zoom in more? So we're looking up. This is the bottom. This is the bottom of the cube. You guys see that? Thumbs up. Where is it appropriate to draw the object from the horizon line? Oh, when? Sorry, can't read. When is it appropriate to draw the object from the horizon line? Above the horizon line, when we're looking up. I think that answers both questions. Ready to go, move on? Are we good to move on? We might be able to do the next one. Make sure you draw your horizon line. Okay, next step, here we go. Okay, what's the first step? If we're drawing a cube below, what do you think the first step would be? Would we, it still is draw the horizon line. Oh my gosh, I wrote an H. Does that happen, you guys? Sometimes you draw the horizon line. Okay, what do you think? Oh, let's do that live. And you know, I'm gonna make mine a little lower or higher because the cube is down. Okay, you could change where the horizon line is, but it should be horizon line. Ooh, you can't see, my bad. Horizon line should be parallel with the side of your paper. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Okay, what's the next step? Yes, very good. Draw the VP, not the vice president. We're not drawing Kamala Harris, we're drawing the vanishing point. Okay. Dot, so that's the horizon line. Repeat after me, horizon line. Repeat after me, VP. Shout out to my friend Rosa who made these notes back in the day. I think teachers should steal things from each other. Okay, so now let me see if I can make a box. Okay, let me see if I can follow the instructions. Okay, just so you guys know, quick ruler lesson, that's 1 inch. Now it doesn't have to be 1 inch by 1 inch. So we're making a cube. I am talking with a mask on, so I'm muffled. Okay, cool? So what's the next step? What's the next step? What did I just do? Draw a square, right? Geometric shape below the, what is this thing called? Horizon line. Now what's gonna be hard is when the cube's at the side. That's what everyone's been skipping on the homework. They like do these two and then they stop, right? They're like, I don't know how to do the rest. Okay, so maybe we'll have time to show you that today. Okay, now let's connect. So connect the corners. Make sure you can't see? Now can you see? Make sure it's light. Make sure it's a light line. Because what happens is you're gonna have to erase these in a second and kids are like, ah. Yeah, you can move. I'll just take a picture of where everyone was for contact tracing. For now, then we'll go back to our side seats, okay? Okay, light. See, go light. Just try to make sure you cover your nose. Okay, light. And are you good? Not getting frustrated? No. I don't want to lose you. Okay, so then what do? Connect corners to VP. Okay, only the corners that can see the horizon line, right? You're not connecting these. It's not like a see-through box. Okay, this is where I lose everyone. Oh no, you know what? I didn't put this step in the notes. Look what I did. I didn't write this step. Okay, this is the step where we lose everyone. Okay, I just heard someone make a face because they don't like that I'm messing up their notes. They're like, oh, they were so neat. Here, let's add a step 4.5. No wonder kids miss this step, because maybe I've always forgotten to like say it in the notes. Step 4.5, coming to you live. Cut off, I don't know if I'm saying this in like a confusing way. Side of box or bottom of box with a parallel. Remember going over that word parallel. Parallel horizontal line. Okay, and that and I don't know, maybe if you have a highlighter nearby, right? This is the step right here that all kids, the lines are crooked. They're always like crooked during this step. This is the hardest step. Right? What? We're on page 4. Yeah, and I'm filming this too, so I'll put it on YouTube, but I think we'll be good. Okay, so this is the step that I forgot. So connect corners to VP. I wrote draw square below the horizon line, draw the VP, connect corners to VP. Okay, so cut off, my bad. Cut off, oh, did you get wet?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Where are you wet?
My legs.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. Hold please. You'll be okay. It doesn't look bad. It's just water. It's just water. Okay, Benjamin, more extra credit for you. Okay. Did you hear him? He went, ha ha. Cut off top of box with VP. Or wait. I'm saying it wrong. Now I'm stressed out because I just poured water all over a student. With parallel line. Parallel horizontal line. Okay, I just lost Kevin. He's now looking at his phone. Okay, he's like, whatever, this lady like pours water on people. I'm not gonna listen to her. Okay, so this is the part, you see? This is the tricky step. So right there. Okay, side. Okay, are we good? This line is parallel. This is parallel. Oops, I did it wrong. Parallel, meaning it would just keep going, right? It would keep going forever. This line is parallel. Okay, erase converging lines. Converging lines. Okay, just did it. I don't know, did I lose you? Add shading. Okay, here we go. What can we do? Maybe we'll make like the ground dark. Oops, I'm shading over my notes. Turning my pencil to the side. Sorry, Benjamin, I was painting earlier doing an example for advanced art. And I was painting during lunch. Okay. So I want my viewer to look at this box. So I'm not gonna blend the box so it has more detail. Really darken the edges. Notice how I rotated my hatching. So it's always facing the VP. I can add some more hatching right there. Maybe I'm gonna make the top like that, just to make it feel like it's separate. This is where the sun or the sky and the ground meet. Maybe you wanna add a little sun. Woo! You could turn this into a building, right? Add a little house if you wanted. Now, I know people are gonna struggle with putting the boxes on the side. Please work. No, it's not working. Please work. So sad. So sad. Oh, yes, give me that. Thank you. Okay. Break the color. So, to like go ahead, right? Just like saying for reference. Oh no, it's tilting. No, don't tilt. If you were to do the box at the side, just showing you ahead. let's say you were to do a box at the side. You would have to connect 3 corners. Okay? And then you cut off parallel, parallel, parallel. So if you want to add with your color pencils that extra to show, like, do you see the difference? Right? So again, to show you that again, right? Lines are either, like if you look at different colors, lines are either horizontal, they're vertical, or they connect to the vanishing point. Oh, we need orange. So like you have the color pencils, you could go ahead and do that. But this is the part where I lose kids. When it's at the side, you see both. You should use your ruler, but here's the thing. This is a vertical line, it's parallel. This is a parallel line, horizontal, right? Okay, so turn to your partner quickly. Explain how to draw boxes in 1 point. How is it different when you go to the side, when the boxes are at the side? Turn to your partner, explain this process. I should hear it. Go, go, go. For extra credit, turn to your partner, share. Go, go, go. Good, good. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Good, are you guys good? 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 Good, we can do this. Good? Do you understand it? Okay, good, good. Make sure you remember to cut off the bottom. You're skipping the one step where you cut off the bottom. Okay. No, don't worry about it. You understand. Good? Good? Okay. Yeah, that should be a little straighter. Yeah, good.
Oh my god.
Nice? Yeah, line up. Bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going if they want to. Okay, raise your hand if you want another 4 out of, what did I say? 4 out of 0. Raise your hand if you want another 4 out of 0. I'm gonna put them in right now. No? Only one person? 4 out of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we keep going? Can we keep going? All right, ready? Okay, turn.
So that means we're gonna get a 0?
No. It's like an extra 4 points.
Oh, I need that.
Okay, here we go. All right, so hopefully your pencil is sharp. Now we're out of sharp pencils because the pencil sharpener is busted.
Oh my god.
Can I take hers? No. Okay. Okay, draw a building using 2-point perspective. Write each step as you draw. Okay. Where's my ruler? Okay, what do you think the first step is for 2-point? Very good. Okay, so draw the horizon line. Okay. Draw H L. Okay. Okay, stop. It's 2-point perspective. 2-point. How many steps do you think you should have? Or sorry, I'm not making sense. How many vanishing points should we have? How many?
2.
Oops, you can't see. So, draw 2 VPs. It's really important that you understand this because like then kids go and they do the city and they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing with the project. Okay, are we good? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna zoom out. Zoom out. Oh, there we go. See, awesome, Melanie? Beautiful. Okay, next step. Okay, this is where it starts to get tricky. Draw a vertical line. Okay, vertical line. What colors did I use back here? Okay, I did red for vertical. Okay, so I'm gonna do color coding. You should still have your color pencils. Okay, so the line is vertical. Okay, ready? Vertical line. It must be, if I were to keep going, it would be perpendicular, 90 degrees. 90 degrees, right angle. It's the geometry, like all the subjects, they connect, okay? All right? Take a deep breath. Come on, extra quick, keep real. Keep your eye on the prize. All right, next step. Okay, where's Brianna? Brianna and Angie are gone? We're missing the extra credit? Seriously? That sucks. Okay, here we go. Connect with light converging lines. Connect the top and the bottoms of the lines with light converging lines. Okay. Looking at the clock. Good thing I'm filming this. Connect top and bottom of line to VPs. Okay, let's call this vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. Yeah, you're gonna like, I wouldn't, because like if you don't know how to do this, well, you can't get your extra credit if you leave, right? If you don't know how to do this, then it's not okay. No, that is the wrong answer. Okay, wait a second. Okay, good. Okay, hopefully you went light. Oh, step 4. Okay, here we go. Okay, but we're not done. It says connect top and bottom of line to the VP. You see? Yeah, but you got to draw your line. Draw your line. So this right here, this is the end of the building that's coming out. Right, so that's why you use your ruler. Okay, so I see some people are taking shortcuts. They're not using their ruler. Use your ruler. Okay, next. It's okay. Step 4 says connect top and bottom of the line to the VP. All right, so you're connecting the top and bottom of the line to each VP. Connect the top and bottom of the line to each VP. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay. Cut off left and right side with parallel vertical, I know I'm getting messy, line, but I'm making it big because everyone's like, what? So this is step 5. Connect, cut off left and right side with parallel vertical line, meaning, right? Parallel, parallel, parallel. Tevin, keep going. You got this. Hey, you do it. You got this. Okay. Next. Okay, this is crazy. This is the crazy part. You need different colors. You're going to go opposite. You're going to connect the opposite corners. So step 6, connect. I know, I'm hearing people whisper it's too much. This is why it's extra credit. Sherlyn, are you with me? Huh? Connect opposite corners. But this is going to make you guys ahead for the cityscape. Connect opposite corners to opposite VP. I don't know if that's confusing. Opposite, opposite. 2 negatives make a positive, meaning it does, I don't know. Okay, so watch slowly. Watch slowly. Are you ready? You may want to stop copying so you don't miss this. Because this is where kids are like, I don't get it. I'm not doing it. You ready? Okay, here we go. Going slow. Okay. Connect the left corner to the right. It's like you're making a cross. Can I get in? Ooh. Ah. Make sure you use your ruler. Am I still filming? We're 25 minutes in. Ooh, we're being productive. I still haven't taken attendance. Don't fire me. I don't know who's getting the money for the commercials. I still don't understand that. Oh, wait, I didn't say what I just did. Okay, then connect the opposite side. I would use colors. A lot of you aren't using colors. So this is, you need to make sure it's connected. So you really have to connect this corner to that. Woo, looking good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, next step. Erase converging lines. Converging lines, the ones that you don't need anymore. Add shading. Okay, so that means erase. Obviously, I can't erase my color pencil, but you guys know. I would put the colors in. Now, you really should emphasize the top and the bottom. Darken this. Now, don't mess with the angle. Like you did all that work with the ruler. Make sure the angle is precise. Okay, if the light is here. Right, but this is in 2-point now. 2-point. Okay? So let's say if I were to add shading, the sun is here. I could extend, use this vanishing point, and then use this vanishing point to figure out the shadow. The sun's right there. Add in some hatching. This would be probably really dark. Rotating, so hatching is going towards the vanishing point. Okay, sun's here, so that's going to be the lightest part. This is going to be the darkest part. So maybe I'll do blending. Dark to light. Maybe I'll work some hatching on top. Ooh, I went out. I'm going to erase. Really darken the edges though, so we know like the relationships. Maybe I want to add some light hatching there, hatching towards the vanishing point. Maybe I want to go real light here, dark to light because we're getting closer to the sun. Maybe I want to add some hatching to the side, make sure all the hatching is going towards the vanishing point. I'm 38. That's my answer. Okay, I will leave the top as light as I can. Okay, erase those extra lines, but maybe you want to leave them so you can kind of see for notes. But that's sweet, Gabriel. That makes me feel like I don't want kids to leave my class saying I never learned how to draw. Like that, because that happens to me. Kids leave and they're like, I never learned how to draw. And I'm like, well, did you not try? I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's my fault. Okay, I don't know. Maybe you want to add in a hill or two to remember that this what horizon line means. It's where the sky and the ground meet. Maybe you want to clean it up. Now we're getting into our next lesson, which is texture. Add some wispy clouds. Maybe you want to make the ground rough. Okay, I vote that we stop here and you do the next step on your own for homework.
Yes, I agree.
Did you finish this one though? I can't give you extra credit if you didn't do it. You got to finish it. So like, lean on your partner. Are you guys with us? I think we should stop here, take a break.
We taking a 3-minute break?
No. No, we're going to go on to the next one. What? Did you do it? You could do it once. You could go to the restroom once you've done this. Okay, turn to your partner. Explain 2-point perspective. All the steps. Turn to your partner and share.